Very warm good morning to all my lovely kids. Children, this is a beautiful story, or you can say excerpt from the chapter A Battle in the Jungle. It's from a book called Around India in 1880 Trains, and the writer here is Monisha Rajesh. This is an excerpt, travelogue, in which the speaker describes her experience in traveling around India on different trains. One of the trains she boards is the Maharaja Express. Maharaja Express is a train and it is fully luxurious train. It stops at Ranthambore in Rajasthan for a short conducted trip to Ranthambore National Park, a renowned tiger reserve. I hope most of the children must be knowing about reserve, because in the beginning of this session we started with asking you to paste pictures of wildlife sanctuary, and we asked you to write something in class 4 also. So many of you must be knowing about the sanctuaries, I hope. Now, the Maharaja stopped at Ranthambore at dawn. As I jumped down from the train steps with other passenger, the cold air hit my face. There was mist around the carriage, and when we spoke, our breath came out in puffs of smoke. I hope, children, this experience you must be having during winters. When you just puff out from your mouth air, that time you find the air is coming out like smoke, as if you're smoking a cigar or a cigarette. The puff comes out of your mouth. That shows that it is very cold out there. 3 jeeps waited for us nearby. Our driver Raju handed round blanket to us as we scrambled into the jeep. Their guide was waiting for them. The guide or the driver's name is Raju. After 2 hours, the sun had climbed high enough to make us feel warm. We admiring 2 beautiful turquoise kingfishers with orange bibs when a yelp echoed in the silence of the forest. Our guide helped us hand and tapped Raju on the shoulder to stop the jeep. Now, this is a warning call from a deer. Can you see the beautiful deer when they were just moving in that jungle reserve? That time they saw a beautiful pair of deer. The sound which they got, that yelp that echoed in the silence, showed that there was tigers somewhere around, tigers and deer somewhere around. Raju drove the jeep over the bumps in the track up the hill. Startled by the sound, 2 sambar deer jumped away from the road. Then he saw 2 sambar deer which jumped away from the road. We saw another jeep in front of us. Its passengers standing on seats. Everyone was looking at the movement. Means they kept on moving, and they were just admiring the beauty of that reserve, and they loved it. They enjoyed it. Suddenly they saw there was a movement of a tiger. Looking at a movement in the trees where a tiger was walking away stealthily, flicking his tail, he was camouflaged by the long grass. Children, camouflaged means he was like, he was not visible because he was totally camouflaged. He was disguised among the bushes. He was not visible at all. मतलब दोनों का कलर एक जैसा मिल रहा था. वहाँ का कलर, स्ट्राइप्स वगैरह टाइगर के स्ट्राइप्स के साथ मिलके he was getting camouflaged. Raju drove the jeep around the bend to other side so that we could get a better view. Now look at this. Just as we turned down the corner, the tiger appeared on the track and paused, turning to look directly at us. Then he calmly leaped onto the road and walked around the back of the jeep and into the trees. We sped downhill into a clearing, but Raju braked sharply. Suddenly, Raju had to brake because he saw something. Less than 20 meters away was the same tiger. His head was lowered and paws were raised. He had spotted something. Can you see that tiger? Its anger. Following his gaze, we saw that hidden in the tree was another tiger. The guide told us that this was a tigress named Machli. Suddenly he saw, look at the green colored tigress, that is Machli. Machli was known as the queen of the jungle. She was 15 years old and was pride of Ranthambore. People had named her Machli because she looked very beautiful with beautiful eyes and very strong, and she was called the queen. Who is called the queen? Daring person is called the queen. She was still watching him. Whom she was watching? She was watching the other tiger, her tail curving dangerously. When the two big cats were less than a few meters away, they bounded towards each other. At last, second they leaped up, paws stretched and clashed in the mid-air, sinking claws and teeth into each other's neck. Look at Machli. She got angry. She opened her paws and she jumped on the tiger. They leaped on each other and clashed each other. In the jeep, all of us held our breath as we watched the fight. A terrifying roar ripped down the jungle as birds flew off the branches, screeching. The two animals wrestled on hind legs, snarling and growling, their bodies merging into gigantic form. Look at their bodies. They're fighting. Look at them. How dangerous they are looking, as if they're going to kill each other. But Machli was the queen of the jungle. She was staring at the tiger. She was about to kill the tiger. This went on for a few minutes, but Machli was not known as the queen of the jungle for nothing. ऐसे ही नहीं कि कोई इसे queen of jungle बुला रहे थे. They were calling her queen of jungle because she was queen of jungle. She furiously slashed her claws across the other tiger's face. The tiger moved back slowly and limped away to his wounds, licked his wounds. She gave one final growl as she watched. She gave a final growl as she watched him go, then turned down and picked her way to a tree and sat down and licked her paws. उसके भी तो ब्लड लग गया होगा, दूसरे वाले टाइगर का ब्लड उसके भी लग गया होगा. And she started licking her paws. Our guide watched her with proud smile on his face. This is Raju the guide. He was so proud to see the queen of the jungle, Machli. The 15-year-old has won the battle, he declared. There was Machli sitting contentedly with Raju when Raju started driving back to the base. The other tiger was nowhere to be seen. But Machli was staring and staring and staring. So children, this excerpt is taken from Around India in 80 Trains by Monisha Raje. Monisha Raje is a British journalist. Her book Around India is in 80 Trains details a journey around India in 80 trains for 4 months. So this is the beautiful story of Machli, the queen of the jungle. Look at the beauty of that tigress and look at the other tiger moving away from her after that fight. I hope you all must have enjoyed this story, and you can even read more about Machli if you will surf in the Google, you will find more stories about her. Read and enjoy this. Thank you, and God bless you, children.